Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
So this question is all about substituting values. Find the value of each expression when x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 5. So let's have a look at this first one. Let's label this first part A and this second part B. We will start with question A. So the original expression is 4 multiplied by the binomial y minus x. Now we have to substitute these values. We know that y is equal to 5. That's given. Y is equal to 5. So instead of writing y, we will write 5. And we know that x is equal to -2. So it's negative x. So we are going to write a negative. And then x is equal to -2. So we'll write -2 inside the brackets. Okay. Now, a negative times a negative is equal to a positive. So this actually becomes 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Now, what is 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. What is 4 times 7? 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So the value for question 18A will actually be 28. Well done to those of you that got it right. Let's have a look at B. B is a little bit more challenging. So here we have 10y minus 3x squared. So we have to substitute the value of -2 into x's place and the value of 5 into the place of y. So instead of writing y, I'm going to add brackets and I'm going to write a 5. And instead of writing x, I'm going to add brackets and I'm going to write -2. Now this first part is quite easy. 5 times 10 is equal to what? It's equal to 50, right? Alright, so this second part is actually -3 multiplied by -2 squared. Now, if you square something, it means that you are multiplying it by itself, right? So I'm just going to write -2 twice instead of the square. Now, what is a negative times a negative? A negative times a negative gives us a positive, right? So -2 times -2 is equal to +4. Okay, so this actually becomes 50 minus -3 times 4. -3 times 4 is equal to -12. Now, what is 50 minus 12? 50 minus 12 is equal to 38. So the final answer will then be equal to 38.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.